This is a used 2007 Cadillac DTS, powered by front-wheel drive, a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, remote start, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: xenon headlamps, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, traction control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.